Hello students, today's session starts with the remaining operators. Third one, relational operators. The C language supports 6 relational operators such as less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal to. Now these 6 operators are known as relational operators. Here the purpose, relational operators are used to compare the given two operand values. So for comparison purpose, we use relational operators. Hence, relational operators are also known as comparison operators. Now, expression point of view, any expression that forms with the combination of relational operators and operands is termed as a relational expression. There is an operator table, operator and its meaning. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. When a relational expression is executed, the result is either 1 or 0, where 1 stands for true and 0 stands for false. That means when the relational expression is executed, now it prints the result value as either 1 or 0. Here the internal meaning, 1 means true and 0 means false. Now relational operators are also binary operators. To implement these operators, we must require 2 operands. See this example program. Now example program for relational operators. First one, header files, stdio.h and conio.h. Main function, open brace, CLR SCR. Here we are not declaring any variables. Now observe the statement. Result 1 %d. Now we are printing the value. Okay. Now this one, comparison statement. 14 is greater than 78. 14 is greater than 78. Is it true or false? False. Hence, it prints the result 1 value as 0. Okay. Another statement. Result 2. 14 is less than 78. Is it true or false? True. Hence, it prints the value as 1. Result 3. 25 is less than or equivalent to 50. True. Less than or equivalent to 50. True. Hence, this value is 1. Result 4. 25 is greater than or equivalent to 50. False. Hence, this value is 0. Result 5. 100 equal to 100 as true. Hence, this value is 1. Result 6. 100 not equal to 100. False. Hence, this value is 0. Okay. So, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Now these are relational operators. Now implementation part completed. Terminate with right curly brace. This one, relational operators. Next one, logical operators. Now C language supports three logical operators such as logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. These three operators are known as logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine two or more relational expressions. Now we are familiar with relational expression. So to combine two or more relational expressions, we use logical operators. Hence, a logical expression is also treated as compound relational expression. Here, the expression is formed with the combination of logical operators and operands. Now observe this statement. Any expression that forms with the combination of logical operators and operands is termed as a logical expression. It consists relational expressions, hence a logical expression is also known as compound relational expression. Okay. This one operator table, operator and its meaning. Now this one logical AND symbol, logical OR symbol and logical NOT symbol. Here, logical AND, logical OR. These two operators are binary operators. They require two operands. Whereas, logical NOT is an unary operator. It requires only one operand. As similar to relational expression, logical expressions are also produces result values as either 1 or 0, where 1 stands for true and 0 stands for false. But these values are produced based on the truth tables supported by each and every operator. So for every operator there is a truth table, so result values are scanned from the truth table. Now we discuss the truth tables of logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT operators. First one, logical AND truth table. Now logical AND is a binary operator, hence we need two expressions. Now this one expression 1, now this one expression 2. Here the combination is expression 1 logical AND expression 2. 0 and 1 combinations are available, where 0 stands for false and 1 stands for true. Hence the possible combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. But students, remember, here we placed zeros and ones, but internal meaning false false, false true, true false, true true. Okay. Now the combination format: false false, logical AND result is false, that means 0. 0 1, combination result is 0, that means false. 1 0, result combination is 0, that means false. 1 1, result value is 1, that means true. So when we observe logical AND truth table, If both expression values are true, then the result of the expression is true. Otherwise, the result of the expression is false. Then logical OR truth table. The same format, logical OR is also a binary operator. Now expression 1, expression 2, combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now the combination format, expression 1, logical OR, expression 2. Here the combination format, 0, 0, combination is 0, 0, 1, combination 1, 1, 0, combination 1, 1, 1, combination 1. Now when we observe this format, in terms of false and truths, in logical OR combination, if both expressions are false, then the resultant expression is false. Otherwise, the result is true. Okay? Then logical NOT truth table. Logical NOT is an unary operator. It requires only one expression. Now this one expression. Now the combination is logical NOT expression. Now 0, 1, that means false and true. Logical NOT complements the expression values. If the expression value is 0, now it complements as 1. If expression value is 1, now it complements as 0. That means if expression value is false, now the resultant expression with logical NOT is true. If expression result is true, now logical NOT expression result is false. Okay? Now refer these tables once again. In logical AND truth table, if either of the expression is false, now the entire expression result becomes false. In logical OR truth table, either of the expression is true, now the resultant of the expression becomes true. In logical NOT, if expression is false, result is true. If expression is true, now the result is false. Okay? Now we go for one example program. Now example program for logical operators. The first header files stdio.h and conio.h, main, open brace, CLR SCR library function. The first one, result 1 equivalent to %d. Now we place a logical expression. Now it consists two relational expressions combination as logical AND. Now observe the format. 14 is greater than 78. Is it true or false? False. So here the result value is 0. And 24 is less than 78. Now 24 is less than 78. True. Now this one 1. Now 0 and 1 combination. Now 0 and 1 combination, the result value is 0. Since in AND combination, if one expression is false, now the entire expression becomes false. So result value is 0. Now result 2. Now the expression 14 is greater than 78. False, 0. Logical OR 24 is less than 78. It is true. Now 0 or 1. Now the result of the expression is 1. So in logical OR, either of the expression is true. Now the entire condition becomes true. Hence this value is 1. Result 3. Now this one, logical NOT 45. Now remember students, 0 always stands for false. Apart from 0, let me take any value, universally it is true. Apart from 0, if we take any value, it is accepted as true. Now this one, logical NOT 45. Now 45 is true. Now we are applying logical NOT operation on true. Hence it becomes 0. That means it is converted as false. So result value is 0. So this one logical AND operator, this one logical OR operator, and this one logical NOT operator. Now implementation part completed. So this one logical operators. Thank you. Thank you one and all.